Okay, today's class, my dear students, we are going to starting with as a valuation of goodwill and the simple average method. Two sums we are going to discuss in today's class. So first one is, see the question first now. Mr. Amar has been doing business, intends to sell his business on 1/12/2006 from the following particulars. Okay, from following particulars, ascertain the amount of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of average profits of last 4 years. So last 4 years profits are given. The profits during the 4 years were as follows: 2003 rupees 2 lakh rupees, 2004 rupees 1,40,000, 2005 rupees 3 lakh, and 2006 rupees 3,60,000. At the time of acquisition of business, the buyer was employed as a manager of similar business on a salary of rupees 6,000 per month. The profits of 2006 include income from investment of rupees 20,000. The profits of 2003 were reduced by rupees 6,000 being loss of speculation. Similarly, in 2005, profits were reduced by rupees 1 lakh rupees due to loss from betting. Okay, this is the question. I repeat once again. So how we are going to do in the sense? So the total 3 steps are there. Before going to solution part, 3 steps are there. Step number 1, what are the things we are going to calculate in the sense here? Following the particular ascertain the goodwill based on the 3 years purchase of average profits of last 4 years. So last 4 years amounts are given here. And then the salary is given to the manager. So 600 per month. So 600 per month in the sense that amounts are given here for annually basis. Annually basis, if the amount is given in the sense, you have to convert into 6,000 into 12 in the sense, you will get approximately 72,000. Okay. Then profits of 2006 include income from investment 20,000. In 2006, this amount we need to add or minus. Later we will check. The profit 2003 were purchased rupees 60,000. Being loss on speculation, 60,000, that amount we had to less. And similarly, in 2005, profits were reduced to rupees 1 lakh due to loss from the betting. Okay, this was the question. This is a simple solution form only we are going to doing now. So almost all of you seen this question now, correct now? So anyhow, the content is already enabled, my dear students. If you take one pick of this particular sum also, no need to worry, no issue. We will going to start with the solution part. Shall we start the solution part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing to worry. This question is already in the LMS itself. That is already the content was unaided. You can go through that question also. No need to worry. Okay. So now I'm going to do the solution part. I'm going to share the stop sharing the screen, and then I'm going to share my Excel screen. Okay. Give me a second. So now my screen is visible for all of you guys. Okay. See, today also, out of 74 students, only 66 students are joined for the class. Every day on 6 to 7 students are absent for the class. I don't know. So when is the eligibility of getting the attendance in the sense, you know. So you have to attend from 2 o'clock to 2:50. Then only eligibility to get the attendance. Okay. So solution part we will start, my dear students. Give the heading, valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill. So valuation of goodwill. I'm going to increase the font size. Okay, valuation of goodwill. Under that, what is the step number 1? Already previous class already given that now. What is the step number 1?
Calculation of adjusted profit.
Correct. Please. Solution 1. We'll give the number also. That is calculation of adjusted profit, na?
Yes, sir.
Adjusted profits. Calculation of adjusted profits. Merge with center. Okay, so under this, provide 4 columns, 5 columns you have to provide. First column is particulars. Step 1, for each and everything you have to write properly. Step number 1. Okay, solution number 1, step number 1, calculation of adjusted profits. Under that, particulars 2003, then 2004, and up to 2006 you need to provide the data. Okay, after this particulars we need to give much space we are required. (2004), 2005, and 2006. Okay. I will increase the font size. 2003, 2004, 2005, and 2006. Okay, in the particulars column, you can see, we will start one by one. So profits are given. What is the profits amount is given? Profits is given in the question itself. What is that amount? For all the year, the amount was same only.
2003, 2 lakhs.
2 lakh, yeah. Depends on.
2004, 1,40,000.
Okay.
2005, 3 lakhs.
Okay.
2006, 3,60,000.
3,60,000. And the year 2004, we have 2,40,000.
1,40,000.
And then profits 2 lakh.
1,40,000.
The first question, profits are given 2003 2 lakh, 2004
1,40,000. 1,40,000.
1,40,000.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2000 2 lakh, and 2004 1,40,000, and 3 lakh and 3,60,000. Yeah, correct. 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 and 2005 we have 3 lakh. First see the first question. Afterwards I will give that time. Later you can copy that one. Okay, no need to worry. So profits are given in the question itself. It is given that. So that is the amount we are directly we are entered there. Then less remuneration to proprietor. Then within the bracket, less remuneration to proprietor. What is the amount?
6,000, sir.
What is the amount is given in the question? 6,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, in the question, it is given 6,000, but all the amounts we are calculating on the yearly basis. So that's for 6,000 into 12. How much you're getting?
72,000.
Yeah, that's 72,000 for all the year. Okay, keep it in mind. 72,000, that is, the amount was all the year. 72,000, 72,000, here also 72, and here also 72. Okay, 6,000 into 12, 70,000 for all the year. Then, so after that, you will get the total. So what is the total you get here? 1,28,000 in 2004, 1,68,000. Okay, and 2005 column, you will get 2,28,000, and third column, same amount only will get 2,88,000. So this is the total amount. I will highlight that amount. Okay, so after this, interest on investment within the bracket, less interest on investment. So what is the amount you're getting interest on investment? Which year? Which year we need to invest? The question, see the question, which year it is given? 2003, 4, 5, or 6?
2006, sir.
6, sir.
2006. Yeah, correct. What is the amount?
20,000.
Yeah, correct. Nil. Here also nil. So here also nil. So that is 20,000. Okay. Now again you have to do the total. Same amount only you will get. So 1,28,000. So here also 1,68,000 also will get. So 2,28,000 you will get. 2,88,000 minus 20,000 you will get 2,68,000. Okay, this is the amount you will get. The interest on investment is 2,68,000. Then add loss due to speculation. Loss due to speculation. What was the amount? Which year?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in 2004, sir, the profit amount, the total is only 68,000, sir, not 1,68,000.
So, okay, in the question, do one thing, make us 2,40,000, okay? Then only it will correct, or else it will 2,40,000 you can make. Is it clear? Some small mistake has happened there in the question itself. 2,40,000. So if you are getting 2,40,000, 2,40,000 minus 72,000, how much you'll get? 2,40,000 minus 72,
1,68,000, sir.
1,68,000. In the question, it is given wrong only. In the question, you can make the correction of that one. So 1,68,000. Loss of due to speculation in the year 2003, that is 60,000 rupees. Okay. Remaining and all amounts are nil only. Nil. And again, you will get the total. So 1,28,000 plus 60,000.
1,88,000.
Yeah, 1,88,000. 1,88,000. And then again, same amount you have to write here, 1,68,000, 2,00,000. I will cut, paste and copy it here. Okay, same amount only you will come to know. So whatever the highlighted things, that is total only. No need to worry, okay? So here, what usually add loss due to speculation. What kind of information will come in a sense? I will write it in the bracket. So upcoming sense, it will be very easy for you guys. Okay. Once again, I repeat, in the textbook and all, it was not given. So buying, okay, comma, holding, buying, holding, comma, selling, comma, stock, okay, stock, and these are the things, stock, comma, bonds, stock, comma, bonds, So these are the things, if they are given in the question in the sense, it should be, you're going to add. Okay. I repeat once again, add column, loss due to speculation, loss of buying, loss of holding, loss of selling, loss of stock, loss of bonds in the sense, you need to add, keep it in mind. Okay. And then add again, add non-recurring loss of betting, non-recurring loss due to betting. What was the amount, betting amount, which year? Anybody? Which year that amount was betting?
2005, sir.
2005. What is the amount?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Lakh, sir.
Yeah, 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh amount we need to add. So, okay. And then we will get adjusted profit. Adjusted profit you will get. So here again, 1,88,000, 1,68,000 you will get. Same total, I will copy and paste here. Okay. So 2,28,000 minus 1 lakh in the sense you will get 1,18,000. So you have to add now. So 2,28,000 plus 1 lakh in the sense 3,28,000. 3,28,000 again 2,68,000. Okay, so adjusted profit. This is step number 1. Up to here, any doubt, my dear students? Up to here, any doubts?
No, sir.
This is step number 1. Easy only. This is here, no need to what we call ledger account, journal entry. Nothing was there. Whatever the data is given, just 2003, 4, 5, 6. You have to create 4 what we call columns, and then you have to insert the data. That's all. The sums are easy only, na? So Nil. Okay. So after this, step number 2. Step number 2. What is the step number 2? Calculation of
Adjusted average profit.
okay, calculation of adjusted average profit. This is the heading. Okay, calculation of adjusted average profit. So under that, so what is the formula for that one, to identifying this one? Adjusted average profit. That is adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit equals total adjusted profits of all the years of all the given years. All the given years. Clear? All the given years divided by number of years. Divided by number of years. Divided by number of years. That's all. Number of years. Now tell me, what was the amount we need to put here?
9,52,000.
Okay, now simple average profit equals, simple average equals. So all the totals we need to add here. 1,88,000, 1,88,000, then add 1,68,000, then add. Then 3,28,000, 3,28,000, then add 2,68,000, 68,000. 2,68,000. So altogether, what is the amount you will get?
9,52,000.
52,000.
9,52,000. Yeah, divided by what is the number of total number of years?
4.
4.
4. See,
Four.
2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Okay, there is 4 years. Then next line. Okay, therefore 9,52,000 divided by 4. So how much you will get?
38,000, sir.
2,38,000.
Chief. If equals, if you're typing some other things, it will take. Okay, so you will get 2,38,000. That's all. Okay, you will get 2,38,000. So the amount you will get 2,38,000. So alignment and all I'm doing now, 2,38,000 amount you will get. Okay. So this is step number 2. Then step number 3. Okay. Step number 3. Step number 3. So step number 3, what is the step number 3 heading? Calculation of?
Goodwill.
Yeah, calculation of goodwill. So one student is asking question, sir, how can we get to know what to add and what to less like that? Okay, in the pro forma. So pro forma already it was given na yesterday's class I shared na. So there we need to add and you have to less. Okay, and even though see here, I mentioned here. So add loss due to speculation, buying, holding, selling, stock, bonds. Okay, these are the things you need to add. Clear? So no need to worry. In each and every class, I'm going to give the hints. So this many information is not given in the book itself. Okay. Then calculation of goodwill. Calculation of goodwill. So how calculation of goodwill? What is the formula?
Adjusted average profit into number of years.
Yeah, correct. That is adjusted profit into number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. So this is the formula to identify the calculation of goodwill. Now, so in step number 2, what was the amount we got?
2,38,000.
38,000 into. So how many years?
3, sir.
So 3. So 3 years where they given?
Question.
The question itself it is given. No need to worry. That's all. So 3 years. So what is the amount you will get now?
7,14,000.
15,000.
That's all. So suppose same answer if you are getting in the end semester examination, you will get out of what 6 marks or 5 or 6 marks you will get for this particular kind of question and all. Okay. Simple only. That's all. This is your answer. It is easy only now. So anyone find difficulty here?
No, sir.
Find difficulty now? Nobody is feeling difficulty in this particular question. That's your answer. If not, I will give you a note also. So in the note, you can take down that one also. There is a fluctuation. There is fluctuation in profits Therefore, simple average profit method has been used. That's all. Okay. Note there is a fluctuation in profits. Therefore, simple average profit methods has been used. In the formula itself, in the step number 2, you can see that format. We have two different things are there, A and B. Subcategories are there. Okay. See, there's a fluctuation in profits. Fluctuation in the profits in the sense 2 lakh, 2,40,000, 3 lakh, and 3,60,000. Correct?
After 45 days, please.
Profit is not
Yeah.
constant.
Is it clear? So therefore, simple average profit method has been used. If there is a no fluctuation, what will happen? Which method we need to use? So how can we find out, sir? See here, a fluctuation in the profit in the sense, see, so 1,88,000, then 1,68,000, 3,28,000, and 2,68,000. If you're getting different kinds of answers. So any doubts? Dear students, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the two methods are there now in the step number 2? Which are those? A and B is there now. Simple average method and then adjusted average method. Adjusted average method, when you're going to use? Guys, I'm asking you only. See, simple average method, when there's a fluctuation in the profits, and that time you need to use this particular method. Okay, weighted average profit method. So in the question they will give, for example, total product, total weights. Okay, and that time you need to use that particular formula. I will tell you which particular sum it will be. We are going to using that weighted adjusted average profit method like that. Okay, no need to worry. Is it clear? So any doubts in this question, in the sense in the solution part? If the sum is over in the sense, we will move to the next sum. Any doubts, my dear students? Any doubts in this particular question as well as the solution part also? Shall we move to the next sum?
Yes, sir.
If still anyone want to write this solution part? So quickly take a snapshot of this your screen or record your screen. Okay. So can you show that last line? Okay. Note there is a fluctuation in profits. Therefore, simple average profit method has been used. That's all. If it is done in the sense, we will move to the next sum. Okay, Sadhan, okay. Guys, you want to copy this answer, solution part, or else shall I move to the next sum? Only few of the
Next
students are
question, sir.
responding.
Next question, sir.
Okay. We'll stop my sharing the screen. Okay. So now we can see that second question. See here, Ramesh purchases business from Suresh from 1/4/2001. Profits earned by Suresh from the preceding years were. Okay, preceding years were. See, 1999, that is 5 lakh, 2000, 6 lakh, and 2001, 5 lakh 40,000. It was found that the profits for the year 1999 included on a non-recurring income of a rupees 20,000, and profits for the year 2000 was reduced by 30,000 due to abnormal loss. So abnormal loss, that is amount is 30,000. What you're going to do now? It should be a plus or minus abnormal loss.
Minus.
Abnormal loss plus, abnormal loss should be plus. On account of small fire in the shop, the properties of the business were not insured in the past, but it was thought the prudent of insurer property in the future of premium rupees 5,000. So this 5,000 rupees, this insurance premium. So insurance premium need to take for all the year only. How we are going to calculate this amount? 5,000 remains same as 5,000 into 12 you have to do. How we have to do this amount?
Per annum, sir. 1 year.
So 5,000 is per annum. So in the sense, no need to do 5,000 into 12. Why? Because insurance as well as premium, you're going to pay only once in a year. Okay, there's a common thing. Okay, these are the things you have to identify very carefully. Per annum, it is given in the question itself. Ramesh at the time of purchase of business was employed as a manager of a identical business concern at a monthly salary of rupees 10,000. He was supposed to get 10,000 rupees. He intends to replace the manager of business who is drawing a salary of rupees 7,500 per month. So the goodwill is estimated at 2 years of purchase of average profits. Calculate the goodwill. So goodwill amount we need to calculate here. See, the intents usually you are supposed to get 10,000 rupees, but instead of 10,000 rupees, you're getting 7,500. Remaining amount, what is the amount is getting? That amount we need to calculate. And then here also 20,000 where you have to do the plus or minus, we have to identify, and then abnormal loss also you have to identify plus or minus. So as usual, same as previous sum only. That is this sum also very easy only. Shall we start doing this particular solution part?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts in this question? If any doubts if you're having in the sense, you can ask me now, or else I'm going to project you the solution part. Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and then I'm going to project you that solution part screen. Okay, I will cut and copy that same content only. Why? Because we're using same sum only. Solution number 2. Okay, give the heading, heading, what are the headings we need to give and all. Calculation of adjusted profits. I'm going to clear the contents. Okay, solution number 2. Step number 1, calculation of adjusted profits or future profit. See, in the question they will ask, they will confuse for you guys. Okay, that's the reason what you're going to do in the sense they will use different terminologies. Okay, future profits, both are same only, no need to confuse. Okay, in the year column we have only 3 years. So previous sum we have 2006 also. No, yes, correct. So what is the year is given in the question? 1999.
1999, 2000, 2000, 2001.
Yeah, 2001. Shall we start, my dear students? Sums and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So clear contents. Okay. See, we need to take down. You have to write the heading like calculation of adjusted profit of future profits. So provide 4 columns, particulars 1999, 2000, 2001. So under that, profits given in the question. So what is the profit amount is given in the question?
5 lakhs, sir.
What is that amount?
5 lakhs.
5 lakh,
Okay, 5 lakh.
6 lakh,
Lakhs.
Then
5 lakh 40,000.
5 lakh, 6 lakh. And the last year amount is 5 lakh 40,000. Okay, so after this, what we have to do? After profits given, non-recurring income, that is plus or minus. That is less non-recurring income. Non-recurring income. What is the amount non-recurring income? What is the amount?
20,000.
20,000. So 20,000 for the 1999. So 2000, 2001 amount was nil. So no need to write the amount there. So nil. That's all. Then we need to do the total year. So 5 lakh minus 20,000, 4 lakh
80,000.
80,000. Then amount again year 6 lakh. Then year that is 5 lakh 40,000. Okay, 5 lakh 40,000. You got the total now. So after this, add in the bracket, add abnormal loss due to fire. So go through that pro forma what I given. There you will come to know which are the things we need to add, which are the things we don't need to add like that. Okay, based on that only you come to know. Otherwise, it is very difficult, you guys. Okay, abnormal loss due to fire. So the amount was which year? What was the amount?
2001, 30,000.
2001. Okay, that is 30,000. Okay, now 4 lakh 80,000 and 6 lakh, same as it is amount we need to write here. So 5 lakh 40,000 plus 30,000. How much? 5 lakh
5 lakh 70,000.
5 lakh 5 lakh
70,000.
70,000, sir.
70,000.
yeah 5 lakh 70,000. 5 lakh 70,000. Okay, then so you got the total 5 lakh 70,000. Then less insurance premium, less insurance premium. What is the amount? Premium amount
5,000, sir.
5,000 per annum.
5,000 per annum. So all the years same amount only 5,000, 5,000. Then 5,000. Okay, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Then 4 lakh 80,000 minus 5,000, 4 lakh
4 lakh 75,000.
75,000. Then 6 lakh minus 5,000,
5
5
lakh
lakh,
95,000.
yeah, 95,000. Then 5 lakh 70,000 minus
5 lakh
5,000,
65,000.
5 lakh 65,000. Okay, you got this amount. Then, so after this, the sum is over. What we need to calculate now again? So remuneration is property spending, na? Less remuneration to proprietor. Remuneration to proprietor. So what is the actual amount of proprietor? So usually, so 10,000 rupees So how we are going to calculate this amount? In the sense, it is complicated like the amount. The question it is given 10,000 rupees. Actually is drawing 7,500 rupees. So 10,000 minus 7,500, how much you will get now?
2,500.
Yeah, it is 2,500. So 2,500 into per annum. So 12. How much you will get?
30,000.
30,000, sir.
30,000 for all the year. So now you got that amount now. Remuneration of proprietor actually is going to fix for 10,000 rupees, but instead of 10,000 rupees is getting 7,500. So therefore 10,000 minus 7,500, you will get 2,500 amount is the difference amount. So 2,500 into 12 in the sense you will get 30,000 rupees. So don't write actual amount, that is only 2,500 like that. So 2,500 per month is getting. So 2,500 into per annum, how much you will get in the sense into 12. So 12 months in the sense you will get 30,000. So any doubts, my dear students here? If any doubts if you having in the sense, kindly ask me, okay? 30,000 rupees. Now adjusted profit. That is adjusted profit we have 4,75,000 minus 30,000, then 4,75,000 minus 30,000, you will get
45,000.
4,45,000. Okay. 2,000.
5,65,000.
5,65,000. Okay, in the third year,
5,000.
5,35,000.
1,000. That's all. Adjusted profit is 4,45,000. 5,65,000 for second 2,000 and 2,001, that is 5,35,000. Okay, that's all. Then step number 2, calculation of adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit equals total adjusted profits of all the years given years and divided by number of years. So therefore, adjusted profit. So adjusted profit in the sense, the amount you have to write all the amounts, 4,45,000, 5,65,000, and like that you have to write. It is 4,45,000. Add 5,65,000. Add 5,35,000 together. So how much you will get?
15,45,000.
15,45,000 divided by 3. So how much you will get now?
5,15,000.
5,15,000.
Yeah, correct. 5,15,000. That's all. There is simple average profit. Add all the amounts. Okay. You need to all the amount. 4,45,000, 5,65,000, 5,35,000, and then you will get 15,45,000. So 3 number of years, 1999, 2000, 2001. That amount we have taken. So you actually got that amount 5,15,000. Then so calculation of goodwill, adjusted profit into number of years of purchase. Then how we are going to do this one?
I lakh 15,000 into 2.
Yeah, correct. So the amount was already is given in the step number 2 itself. We already identify that amount 5,15,000 into how many years it is given in the question itself, correct? How many years?
2 years.
2 years. So 5,15,000 into 2.
10,30,000.
That is rupees. Previous sum I didn't mention rupees. Kindly mention that amount also. Rupees 10,30,000. That's all. That's complete your sum. So previous sum rupees I didn't mention. In that rupees 7,40,000. That one also you can note down. Okay. 7,14,000. Okay. Any doubts, my dear students, in this particular sum as well as the question also? So that's complete. You have successfully completed the 2 sums. Like that, upcoming days, within another 1 week, we are going to complete the unit number 1. If you people are in the class, in the sense, definitely in a class, 4 to 5 sums we are going to do in the class itself. I think online, you know very well, it will take too much of time. Why? Because through manually we are going to entering through a system, in Excel sheet and all, it is very difficult to think. It takes time. So one, if it is adjusted with for us in the sense, definitely we are going to speed up with our solution part and all. So any doubts, my dear students, in this particular solution part? So 1 more minute is there to end this particular session. If any doubts in the sense, you can ask me now. Or else I'm going to end this meeting. We will meet in the next class. Any doubts, my dear students, in this particular sum as well as solution part?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So all of you understood the concept, how to do the calculation of goodwill, how to identify that amount?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So sums are very easy compared to the previous semester. Previous semester also very easy only, depends upon the you peoples only, that's all. How you are going to calculate, how you are going to concentrate about that sums and all depends upon you only. That's all, my dear students. So I'm going to end this meeting, my dear students. Tomorrow we will see.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.